How to change app icon or app name on any Android. So if you want to change your app icon or app name on any Android, then what you need to do is you can simply tap and hold on to that application and you will get app info and edit option. But if you don't get the edit option, then it means you don't have that feature on your Android device, which is in my case, I don't have that feature. So if you have edit option, then you can simply edit your icon, you can change your icon or change your app name. But if you don't have that option, then you can double check by going to your settings. Under settings, you can scroll down, go with lock screen and wallpaper option. And under that, here you will have the color and style. So tap on it. Now from here, you can change the color of the applications or style of the applications. You can simply tap on the color and you can see that the color has been changed. So you will also have the option of changing the app icon or app name under your lock screen and wallpaper. If you have that option, you can simply go and change it, or you can just change your theme to change your app icons or the app color. So it might not be available in all of the Android devices. If you have that option, you can simply go and change that. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.